There are many challenges, and it's much more on a bigger scale than just architecture. For me, I'm very much focusing at this time also on urban planning or even regional planning. How to bring, for instance, issues like mobility, agriculture, the cities, the remote areas in a sustainable way together, and even dealing with Europe as a total, based on also on mobility and how it's connected. I think the big challenge is urban planning and regional planning. Architects should be much more collaborative with each other and not competing with each other. For me, that's very important. Also exchanging knowledge, but also put your egos away. We have to collaborate.
Who do you think needs to take the initiative? Would it be the client or the architects themselves?
I think also the architects, and also I think it already starts at the universities also. It's also part of the...
Changing the educational approach in general.
Yeah, because now we get to education, but even this issue that there is a culture at, I don't know many, but many architecture offices, you have to work day and night, sit behind your computer, compete with other architecture firms. I don't like that attitude. You know, I really want students to observe what is needed in society, go to factories, go to look what is materials, what is needed in society. That has always been my attitude. Of course, that's why I maybe tell this, but I think that's really needed.
I agree.
There are big, big issues in the world.
I agree.
And we should be collaborative and be visionary on a big scale.
Yeah. Well, hopefully exciting decades are coming up.